Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Nathan Hager, joined by Bloomberg's Valerie Teitel with a lot going on in the micro space. Val, starting with Broadcom, they are seeing a big bid up this morning. Good morning.
A big bid up and also boosting NASDAQ futures as we speak. Broadcom up over 9% in pre-market trade. They want to eat into NVIDIA's lucrative slice of the AI chip sector. They announced a partnership with ChatGPT's OpenAI yesterday alongside a strong outlook in its earnings, but this partnership is to design and produce an AI chip for OpenAI. The CEO saying they've already nailed down $10 billion worth of orders with plans to ship this chip next year. It's also giving NVIDIA something to think about. The shares of NVIDIA down 0.8% with this potential new entrant into its lucrative slice of the market.
And we got some breaking news involving Tesla this morning. This will raise many an eyebrow this morning.
Yeah, Tesla is up nearly 2% in pre-market trade. The board has proposed a new compensation package for the CEO, Elon Musk, saying that incentivizing Elon is fundamental for Tesla to achieve its goal. But what is that number that might incentivize Elon? In the board's mind, it could be potentially $1 trillion. Yes, that's not a mistake. $1 trillion. The incentive package potentially dangling out there as a payoff if Tesla hits a series of quite ambitious targets. One of them could be to grow Tesla to an $8.5 billion market cap. And Nathan, that is quite ambitious. That is twice that of NVIDIA. But the shares of Tesla are liking perhaps this new incentive for Elon, up 2% in pre-market trade.
Yeah, $8.5 trillion for market capitalization is quite the goal. In the meantime, Valerie, some other companies that reported earnings not doing so well. Let's take a look at Lululemon.
Lululemon down over 18% in pre-market trade. Another round of bad news for the athleisure wear company. Sales disappointed for a third quarter in a row. They slashed their outlook, cutting both revenue and earnings per share. The company also warned of a $240 million hit from Trump's decision to end the de minimis rule on small packages shipped to the U.S. This is another bad sign for the yoga wear retailer whose stock has already fallen over 45% year to date. Lululemon suffering from earnings down over 18%.
And we also got earnings from DocuSign. How's that stock doing?
Yeah, DocuSign up 8.25%. This is the electronic signature company, boosted its annual outlook on the back of a push to ramp up its AI offerings.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.